For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're someone who enjoys fresh, homemade pasta like I do, the METLUCK stainless steel pasta maker is a solid tool worth keeping on your kitchen counter. The first time I used it, I wasn't sure what to expect, but after rolling the dough through the thickness setting number 5, I got perfect lasagna sheets, smooth and even, without tearing. Built with durable stainless steel, this manual pasta maker feels heavy-duty and dependable. It's not just a kitchen gadget, it's something that actually makes cooking more fun. What makes this stand out for me is the adjustability. With 9 different thickness settings, from 1mm to 4mm, and 2 blade sizes, 2.0mm and 4.0mm, it covers everything from delicate vermicelli to rich fettuccine. I've even used it for linguine on a Saturday night when I had guests over, and they couldn't stop talking about how fresh it tasted. As someone who's experimented with both store-bought and handmade pasta, I can tell you the difference in texture is real. Operating the machine is simple. The hand crank rotates smoothly, and the table clamp keeps the unit steady while rolling. Even if you're not experienced with pasta making, this doesn't feel complicated. I've read advice from a couple of chefs who say consistency is key, and this machine really helps with that. It gives you control without needing any fancy skills. Cleanup is also something I appreciate. The parts come apart easily, the crank, table clamp, and double cutter all detach without fuss. I just rinse them under water and wipe them dry. It doesn't take up much space either. I store mine in a lower kitchen drawer, and it fits just fine, which is great when you're tight on space. This machine opens the door to making so many types of pasta: spaghetti, lasagna, ravioli, tagliatelle, you name it. And when you're making your own dough, you know exactly what's going in. I prefer using simple flour and eggs, and sometimes mix in spinach or beet puree for a twist. It feels good knowing you're serving something clean and fresh. The METLUCK pasta maker isn't just a tool, it's part of the experience. It gives you more than results, it gives you confidence in the kitchen. Whether you're trying homemade pasta for the first time or you've been doing it for years, this machine helps you get it right every time.